another video. Today we're walking Mom's dog. And I don't actually have a dog. Well, so by the way, if I don't walk the dog, Mom is gonna ground me. So wham wham. Wham wham. Wham wham. Mom's dog has the power of levitation. Mom's dog has the power. Mom's dog has the power of levitation.
How is it?
Oh my. Oh, Mom's dog. Obby checkpoint reached. Mom's dog is currently levitating. Little bro knows it.
Oh!
Little bro, my dog has no enemies and is acceptable to the point where he is respected by even the toughest of people.
Let money go at.
That was easy. That section was quite the easier. Marco. Oh, that was easy. Mom's dog, I forgot. Mama.
Snack time.
Oh, that was easy. We've completed it. Ugly rat, stupid kid. Mom's dog, let's head out of
Oh
here.
shit, my leg is hurting.
Wow, we did it. Well, good night.